What's up, everybody? Today on the bench we have an original TR 808 from Roland. This is an iconic drum machine. You'll likely recognize the samples from really any electronic or hip-hop song of the last 3 decades. This guy's coming in not super broken, just needs to be cleaned up. The customer is looking to sell it, so gonna take it apart, clean up some of the controls, and get it back into playing shape. So now that I have it open, I'm seeing a few immediate issues. Namely, this battery compartment has corroded and it's leaked a little bit on this board here. That will need to be cleaned up. I'm gonna replace this battery holder with a new one. Should be able to make that work. This board is broken, but it doesn't seem to have damaged any traces, so we're gonna not worry about that. I also noticed these side panels have lots of broken screw posts. So I think I have my work cut out for me. I'm gonna get going on it. The TR 808 is all done. Just basic wear and tear is what I saw on the inside. I got stuff cleaned up and ready for sale. I know the customer was looking to sell this, so having the mark that it was serviced by a technician will be good. Got a basic beat going. Let's add some cowbell.